Hello, everyone. So this is about Square Cafe on the East End in Pittsburgh. So we went in there. Look at all the balloons. I like the way it was decorated.
Yeah, square, but lots of circles.
Yeah, and it's a really big open space. So it's a little bit noisy. We were there before 10 o'clock. We got there at 9:30. I would highly recommend doing that on a Sunday because at 10 o'clock there was a line out the door.
Yeah.
But it's clean. It's nice. It's got these plush little booths. Like we got sat in this booth, man. That was like a leather recliner almost, like kind of level of comfort. And then this menu, you know, they do actually have alcohol there if you want it, but like who needs that? Especially when you got pancake syrup. So yeah, they have it. It's really nice. Like lots of wood overtones. There's a big picture window up front, but they did put shades down when it got sunny. And they got this huge menu, tons of vegan choices. But they have your standard breakfast fare.
Yeah,
The
food was good, and it was decently priced. I got salmon Benedict, so poached eggs, hollandaise sauce.
Yeah, I saw that most of the things were like under $15. I don't know about that.
Mine was 22.
Yeah, that's probably the deluxe thing on the menu. It's the filet mignon on the menu.
Yeah,
so
it was good.
Yeah.
It was really good, though. It was well made.
You can see here's all the vegan options. So for your vegan friends, they're there. I tried vegan breakfast. I had vegan eggs for the first time.
Yeah, they tasted kind of strange.
Especially next to like eggs with hollandaise sauce on them. I mean, my God, that was so good. But yeah, they have pancakes. They've got waffles. They got all kinds of stuff. They've got sandwiches. They have salads. So like they're open till 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So they have lunches, but not on Tuesdays. And I need something on Tuesdays. So anyway, you can slow down the video here and look at the menu if you need to. But yeah, and they have all these they have a coffee bar. So they have all these different lattes and hot chocolate and teas and all that kind of stuff. So I ordered the special latte of the day, which was this lavender honey. Was like, whoa, that was really different tasting.
Yeah, I liked it because it wasn't dumpy. It's not a chain. It's not a chain. It's just one person, a business, a single business.
Yeah, but they've been open for 20 years.
Yeah, and she's gone through a lot because I've known her for.
So here's the latte described there that I had.
I've known the owner of this business, not super close, but I've known of her. She's been to a lot of my other places
There's
of
a
work.
16-ounce latte.
And it was really good.
And then they had the specials up on a board behind the counter. And this is my vegan breakfast right here. So you got the fake eggs, you got the veggie sausage, which actually was really good. This pancakes, no eggs, was made out of peanut butter, which gave it some interesting flavor. And then berries on top. And then here's Tara's salmon with,
Benedict.
Eggs Benedict. Now, parking is kind of a challenge, though. On Sunday, it wasn't too bad because we were there early, but there's this giant church here. There's not a ton of on-street parking. There's none right in front. You have to park around the back. And then when we did go back to our car, we were kind of parked in. So just be aware, parking on this side of town is at a premium.
It gets very congested.
And if you're out on a Friday or Saturday night, which we never do, there's like Chicken on the Run. There's an oyster bar next door. There's like all kinds of neat stuff in this block. So if you are like on foot or if you Uber to the place, you've got options.
Yeah.
And it's pretty cool. So we got there before the line was out the door. There's the front of the store. All right. So I guess we'll leave it there. So thanks for joining us. And thanks everybody who's out there. 13,597 subscribers now. So if you want to make that 13,600, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.
Yeah, it was really good.
Yeah. We'll keep you posted on more restaurant reviews. We've been enjoying those. Okay.